Hello everyone, at ngayon ay day 2 na ng SME. Today is November 23, 2024. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga companies or mga store na nandito or mga businesses sa biyahe ko. Hello everyone, at day 2 na ng SME at syempre kasama natin si Ma'am Grace. Ma'am Grace, ano pala yung inaano niyo ma'am dito sa SME ma'am?
Hi, so I'm Grace again, and actually what we do here is we look for SMEs who are small medium enterprises who are interested to venture in ramen business. We supply ramen ingredients, as well as we set up a ramen cart to those who are interested to venture in a ramen business.
Then, ma'am, sa ganito pala, ma'am, ano pala yung pinaka-requirements para maka-franchise or makabili dito, ma'am?
We do supply to some owners na merong takoyaki shop, milk tea shop, so pwede din yon.
And ma'am Grace, regarding po pala sa ano nyo po, ma'am, is ano pala yung mga minimum packages tsaka yung pinaka-maximum, ma'am?
Okay, we have a lot of packages that we can offer to our SMEs. So one is a kasosyo package. Kasosyo package is meron na silang existing business and they want to boost their sales. For example, they already have milk tea business and konti pa lang yung sales nila, they want to boost. They can include the ramen in their menu. So that's 38,000 inclusive of seminar and ramen packages already. And then the second is this cart, the 99,000 cart. So it includes the whole cart, some kitchen equipment, and also ramen servings as well. And they can have their own brand. So we will also, parang i-help namin sila na mag-set up nung brand nila.
And ma'am, sa ganitong part, ma'am, is kahit saan po ba siya within the Philippines, ma'am? Or dito lang sa Metro Manila, ma'am?
Okay, so right now, since ang magiging problem natin is logistics, no, if we go to Visayas or Mindanao, but after nun, we can actually ship the whole cart to them through cargo, or we can also check the local contractor na pwedeng makahelp sa atin para mas mapamura yung logistics. So yun. And as for the ingredients, we do ship sa Cebu, sa Mindanao, and so on.
Then, ma'am Grace, regarding po pala sa ganito, ma'am, is paano po sila makaka-contact or paano sila makaka-inquire, ma'am, for other inquiries, ma'am, or concerns, ma'am?
Okay. So, you just have to contact the YC Ramen Supplies or our brand, Yummy Tokyo, sa Facebook page namin.
Yeah. At lalagay ko na lang sa description at sa video ang contact details nila Ma'am Grace. At sana kung gustuhan nyo, ayun, mag-avail kayo, guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, at day 2 na ng SME at kasama natin